Swipe from the center of the screen, left or right. Or click the mode icon to enter mode switching. Choose the mode you want and get shooting. Video, free-frame video, time-lapse, time shift, slow motion, loop recording, star lapse, interval, HDR photo, photo. The camera can be connected with the Insta360 app for a live shooting preview, parameter adjustments, mode switching, and more. On the album page of the app, you can view any footage you have taken and edit them at will. Auto edit. The editing page in the Insta360 app provides a wide range of effect templates for you to try. Choose Flash Lab or Auto Edit. The app will automatically select the highlights of your video and make a montage for you.